Do you know how to use chives in the winter, even though they're not growing in the winter? Hi, I'm Susan from In the Garden Sue, and today I'm going to show you how to preserve some chives. So we're just going to give them a little chop, chop, chop. Oops. Ooh, there you go. So I washed these chives, and now I'm going to salad spin them to get all the moisture off. I'm just going to lay them out on a paper towel to continue to get the moisture off, because if you freeze them with moisture on them, they have a more likelihood to stick together. Chop, chop, chop. You can use a water bottle to fill it up, or you can put the chives in another container. Now you're just going to put them in the freezer. And when you get them back out, they're not going to stick together, and you just pour them right out.